Search the whole YouTube and you can check. No one has explained it in a simple way like me. No one will able to explain it. First of all, I draw a free body diagram. Then I will explain it to you and explain it in a such way that you will never forget it in your life. You have to copy the exact drawing as I drew it, otherwise you won't understand. You can check out the playlist for the every and each and every part of this chapter. Anyway, let's get step number 1. Here the section, here the point, let capital A. Not let, this is the given by the question, not I am giving. Capital A point, where the support fixed with this point, capital A. Support, cantilevered. Okay, the term you have to remember like kink, lever, etc. This from this 1.5 meter. This from this 1.5 meter, where positive right side according the x-axis or horizontal. Here a force act where right side on the x-axis at 1.5 meter. Then we can written as point number 2 in the section of FBD description step 1. 6 kN 6 kilonewton force act on the right side of positive x direction at 1.5 meter. I think you understood what I am saying to you. As you can see the picture, the next two lucky fellows have been gifted the royal length of 1.5 and 1.5, each living happily ever after symmetry. And hello, pause the video my dear student and copy it exactly, because my class notes are just a notes. They are the holy scriptural mechanics. Anyways, question gives us 1.5 and the slope type, this is also 1.5. So we can have to write the point number 3. This is 4 Newton, angle with 30 degree. This is 30, this is 30, because both line are parallel. So 30, this 30, this 30, this 30. I think you know the childhood geometry. Anyway, point number 4. 4 kilonewton force act at 30 degree angle making with the respect of right side or positive x-axis below the x-axis. Okay, just note down. I don't think anyone in the universe can explain it to you more than me. Even Google might, Google AI, not possible. Anyway, what is theta? Question says that theta equal to 30 degree. Which 30? This is not your age, this is my age, 30 degree. Oh, I forgot to introduce myself. Before introducing me, you have to first find out the component of 4 kilonewton force. Here are two components, horizontal and vertical. Find the horizontal and find the vertical and drop it your answer in my YouTube comment section. Clearly horizontal part is 4 cos 30 because theta is attached, cos attached. Theta does not attach, sin attached. Then horizontal part, theta is attached, then 4 cos 30. But vertical 4 sin 30 because theta is not there. I already explained my theoretical part, vector force, you can check out. Okay. Anyway, value is 3.464. Similarly, vertically component what? Of 4 Newton. Here theta is 30 degree but not attached. Then the vertical component will be 4 sin 30, not cos 30. 4 sin 30, that is 2. Which direction? Downward, downward. Always downward. Be downward, earth to downward. Okay. And horizontal, right hand side of the x-axis. Clearly. Awesome. This is Morning Dash. Everyone call me Morning Sir, but you call me Morning Bro. If you done step 2, you will think 99% of the problem is solved. 100% challenge. Here we have to find vertically and horizontally moment calculation. Kink. What is kink? Force is applied 6 Newton in the distance of 1.5. So simple, easy peasy, no tension. 6 into 1.5. I think you understand. Moment. Now horizontal and vertical. This is 4 Newton. This is 4 sine 30. Because theta is not attached. So this is sine 30. And total perpendicular distance of that line is this line. Total this line. But this line is given 1.5 plus 1.5 equal to 3. But rest of the part not given. First you have to written as 4 sine 30 into total part. Perpendicular line 1.5 plus 1.5 equal to 3. Which part is 3? According to the picture. Rest of the part we have to calculate. Look at the triangle. Hypotenuse is 1.5. Angle is 30. Then rest of the part what? Just component, finding component. This length, I mean to say this length what? Find and comment. Kindly please comment before my solving. If hypotenuse is 1.5, theta is there, then the length of the red portion is 1.5 into cos 30. Yes or no? Comment yes or no. This length what? 1.5 into cos 30. That is cos theta 30 whatever. The total length of the line which is perpendicular to the 4 sin theta force is 3 plus 1.5 cos theta or cos 30. And force multiply. 4 sin theta is the force. Vertically, what is the force? 4 cos theta. 4 cos theta. Here you can't watch, so I write there 4 cos theta. Which part? According to the right side of the positive, the component of 4 Newton force is 4 cos 30. Positive x-axis, this line perpendicular, and length of this line what? If hypotenuse 1.5, then the line length this is 1.5 sin theta, obviously sin theta. Then moment 4 cos 30 into 1.5 sin theta. Okay, I think the best explanation I provide you. Let's copy and note down. Comment the name of the place from where you are watching the video. Now step number 3, which is very easy but very important. Equation making with the condition of equilibrium. This is AX force, left hand side of the x-axis. AX and right hand force are in equilibrium. What is right hand force? 4 cos 30. Condition is equilibrium, then left hand force and right hand force are equal, or the summation of x-axis force equal to 0. Anything you can do it, man. So left hand side AX minus right hand side force 4 cos 30 equal to 0 according to the equilibrium law. Then AX equal to 4 cos 30. 4 cos 30 already we solved, 3.464 kilonewton. Very simple, very easy peasy, no tension. Now the vertical position. Upward direction is AY. So upward equal to downward. This is upward equal to AY. Downward, here 2 force 6 and 4 sin 30. Then we can written as AY minus 6 and 4 sin 30. Clear? Here 2 force in the direction of downward, 2 force 6 Newton and 4 sin 30. Upward 1, only AY. Then AY minus 6 minus 4 sin 30 equal to 0. Here AY equal to 8. Okay. Now the very important and very our goal, moment A. What is the MA? MA minus, already we calculate the moment before, 6 into 1.5 minus 4 sin 30 into 3 plus 1.5 cos theta. 4 sin 30 means 2. Bracket, inside the bracket 3 plus 1.5 cos 30. 1.5 cos 30. Here not available, very page for written. Minus 4 cos 30, which is 3.464 into 1.5 into sin 30. Anyways, I think you understood till now. If you any problem with this problem, then comment it. I will solve in the next lecture. Okay? And calculate and simplify. Result pops up automatically. MA equal to 20.1 kilonewton. So final answer is AX equal to 3.464, AY equal to 8 and MA equal to 20.1. This is morning. Good luck.